Hello everyone and welcome back to Friday Fun. Today we are going to be creating our own paper bag puppets. So puppets are very important for children especially because it gives them a way to communicate or tell stories in their own way, and it helps them use their imagination as well. So for this activity you will need a small paper bag. Lunch bags work the best. Any color markers that you have. Those are the requirements, but I'm going to be adding construction paper, some liquid glue, and some scissors to my list as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand inside of my bag. So there's this little flap here, and that is going to be the mouth of our puppet. So you want to try and not stretch out too much. But when you move it up and down with your hand, it makes the illusion that the puppet is talking. So this part will be where our eyes go. The inside you can color to look like a mouth, and then you can decorate the whole outside of the bag as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten out my bag a little bit again, and I'm going to draw some eyes on my puppet. So I'm going to give my puppet some blue eyes. And your eyes don't have to look like mine. So there are the eyes on my puppet. And then I'm going to open up that flap and I'm going to draw a mouth. So I'm going to need some red for the tongue. I'm going to color it in. And my puppet has a tongue. And then I'm going to color around it with a black marker so it looks dark. Here's the eyes of my puppet, and inside his mouth he has a little tongue. So that's all you really need for a puppet. So then you can put your hand in and say something like, hello. Otherwise, you can cut out some different shapes that you want to glue onto your bag, or you can give it hair. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it some pink eyebrows. So I'm going to take a marker first, and then I'm going to draw like a half circle, and then I'm going to draw the same thing twice. And it's okay if they're not the same, because nobody's eyebrows are exactly the same either. I have one little eyebrow here. And I have a second little eyebrow here, and then I'm just going to glue them onto my puppet. I'm going to use just like a tiny little dot of glue. Stick it right on there. And it gives my puppet a little more character, so now my puppet has some eyebrows. But I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson today, and I hope you make your own paper bag puppets at home. If you do, please leave a photo or video of you guys making these down below, because we love to see what you guys create. So thank you again for joining me for Friday Fun, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!